Oh.
That was the most disingenuous.
That was real.
Okay.
Well, I think I know the end of this story. If you can live forever, great. But if you have to continue to build a house that entire time, unless you're having fun, which I don't think she was.
Well, she wasn't like putting on a hard hat and like physically making the house herself. She was delegating.
Well, then that's why she didn't live forever. Because she found a loophole.
I won't argue that your logic is flawed. I just hate it because it's detrimental to my argument.
It's fine. You think the ghost just checked in every like 3 to 5 years?
Check
like,
their time
we
card.
should see if she's still building that, otherwise we gotta kill her. Nobody is building a house like this because they have arthritis.
I'm saying this
is not
this is a theory. I'm just stating the
No
theory.
one says, oh, my knuckles feel a little funny. I'm going to build a house with 500 rooms.
I hear you, man. I agree with you. I'm just saying this is a theory that people believe. And I'm relaying the theory.
Those people are idiots.
I mean, you know what the doctor says. Nothing's better for arthritis than a 2-story drop to the floor down below, right?
Right, yeah. Now yeah.
So.
Maybe she just wasn't very good at planning.
And she did that for her entire life.
Yeah, for her entire life.
Okay. Just why I'm.
Hey, we all need hobbies.
Although, I will say, I can't imagine communicating with spirits produces any kind of receipt.
No, nobody has evidence of that.
Okay, I'm just saying, I call bullshit on that.
I agree with your calling of bullshit.
Good, I'm glad we agree on something for once.
Yeah, we've done it.
Okay, we've done it, Let's go home now.
He'd get along well with old Sarah Winchester.
One could say that.
He has a lifelong mission to appease the ghosts.
I think it's more a protection thing. He just doesn't want to die.
He is wearing a Kevlar vest in that case.
He probably fucks the dolls. Can I say that?
Oh, I thought you would have like some respect for this place, but
nope, went in straight with he fucks the dolls.
Yeah, I'm with Pepe on this.
This is getting way off track.
Sorry, okay. Anytime I get even remotely spooked, I just look to the monkey with the sunglasses. They've got dolls that piss themselves.
I mean, do you think these dolls look like they have remotely any kind of technological capability?
There was a Mickey Mouse over there with a little pull string.
Did it work?
I don't know, I didn't touch it.
I feel like you touched it.
We better get out of this house. Somebody knocked our little bear out of his little wicker chair.
You're telling me you wouldn't be unnerved by going upstairs and seeing a bunch of stuffed animals organized into a little cult circle when no one did it?
So I don't know. Did they bring the bear?
I don't believe they brought the bear. I mean, I can't imagine they would bring the bear.
This was the 90s. People had like video recorders, you know.
I mean, the scratches all happen on camera, but here's the thing. This is what I fucking love about like paranormal evidence. People are always clamoring for it, right? Like, where's the evidence? And then when the evidence finally is there, it's like, fake. Jesus Christ! If you slit my throat tonight, I'm gonna have a hard time forgiving you for that. Will you haunt me for the rest of my life?
No, because I'll be dead.
Well,
Ghosts aren't real.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Wait. What?
Hear me out here. Okay.
That demon's racist. He was like, oh, there was a black lady who lived here? Wait a minute. No, I can't haunt with that.
Well, demons...
What about a little white girl? A little blonde one. I'll give her pigtails.
Demons don't...
Fuck that demon. He's whitewashing the history of this house. He's exactly what's wrong with Hollywood.
Demons don't present themselves as adults. That's what I was saying. They present themselves as
Ever?
children. No, an entity that's not human, it needs energy. It needs souls to feed off of. So if you need that, you wouldn't immediately come out with the horns. You come out with the little girl. That makes sense to me.
Whatever. Demon's racist. I don't respect this demon.